Hey my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, my name is Denisse or simply Denisse, and I welcome you here. In today's video, I thought I would give you a tour of my daughter's closet. If you're new to my channel, then I thought I'd let you know that I do have two little toddler girls. One is 1.5 years, the other one is 3.5. And they don't share a room yet, but they do share a closet, and they have way too many accessories, way too much clothes. And I kind of wanted to show you what their closet looks like in case you want some organization tips, or if you can pull out any ideas from this tour, then feel free to do so. But if you're interested and you want to snoop around a little in the girls' room closet, then keep on watching. Okay, so as we start this closet tour, this is basically the way that I had it organized. On this side, on the left side, we had all of Mia's clothes. This is my 1.5-year-old daughter. And then I had a bunch of junk in the bottom. That white basket has toys that I am rotating. And then on this side of the closet, it was basically all of my older child. She's 3.5. This is Jimena's side. And most of these shelves over here had Jimena's clothes and both of their shoes on here. And then in that corner that you barely see where there's boxes, that's just clothes that doesn't fit them. And then we do have some winter jackets that are hanging on their closets. And then I have Jimena's winter jackets and sweaters on top hanging as well. And then on Jimena's side, we also have all of their accessories, the bows, the headbands, everything. It's all on that side. And then you can see that I have a bunch of clothes stacked up. It's all clean, just hadn't taken the time to put it back where it belongs. And up top, we have all of Mia's winter jackets and sweaters. And her pajamas were in that blue box. And this is the before look of the closet. Very, very messy. This is a little close-up of what the shelves look like. Basically all of Jimena's clothes, her jeans, her shorts, her skirts, her shoes. And a last view of what the closet looked like before organizing. So this is what it looks like after I took the time to organize. I put in the very entrance the bows and the headbands and the accessories so that it showcases whenever the closet is open. And then also the drawers there that keep all the smaller things. And then I hid all of the clothes on the side where you can't see when the door is open, which is the farther end of the closet. Both of their clothes are all on one side now. I emptied out some of these shelves and organized their shoes. This is just an overall view of what the closet looks like now. Much cleaner, not 100%, but a lot better. So I took the time to put all of the bows in the entrance, like I mentioned. The bows is what I have the most of, and this isn't the complete collection. There's a lot of bows in my room as well, but this is most of it. I would say 75% of it. I took the time to take out bows that they don't use anymore, that don't fit their head. And then these are the decommissioned bows. Some of those bows I couldn't find a place. Those that you see right there are broken somehow. And then up here I have Mia's clothes. This is a baby's clothes. And in the middle we have pajamas, shorts, and skirts in those blue boxes. And in the bottom, Jimena's clothes is there. And I put them in the bottom precisely because she's old enough now to choose her own clothes, so she's able to grab them. Now in these plastic boxes, I have all of the smaller things. So I have socks and medias, stockings, I guess, underwears, baby socks, more stockings. I think that's what they're called in English. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. And then this is all of Mia's 18-month clothes on that side, the ones that I'm just touching, and then that's the 12-month, which is what she's currently using right now. And then this one is more child friendly. This is all 2T and then 3T stack and the 4T stack. And I put it accessible so she can open it, and then that's all the little underwears that come with dresses and all of Mia's bathing suits. That's Jimena's underwears for dresses and Jimena's bathing suits and her little pool shoes. And then those are just headbands that are winter. They're not for this season. And I didn't know what to do with those, but after I showed you these pictures and those two extra ones that are empty, I ended up putting them on the shelf right there on top of that one, which is pretty much empty. It has a few sweaters there. And then I have Mia's shoes on top because she doesn't reach those. And then I put Jimena's shoes in the bottom two shelves so she can pull out whatever she wants whenever she needs to. And so here's the before. And the after.
So I hope that you found this closet tour useful. It's an ever-evolving project, honestly, because they keep getting clothes, they keep getting toys, and things just keep getting moved around over and over, and you just never finish. And the older they get, the bigger the clothes is, the more clothes they have, the more junk they have. And so we're just learning and growing and taking it step by step, day by day. But I hope that at least you were able to get some sort of inspiration in case you're interested in reorganizing while we are home for the short run. So yeah, so if you got some sort of inspiration or ideas, then let me know what you liked about this closet tour in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are into this type of content, or if you're into any content in my channel. That lets me know that you care and that it's useful for you in some sort of way. So that is it, my darlings. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support every single time. And make sure to share the positive. I'll see you later. Bye, my darlings.